Hey friends, today we are going to paint a beautiful galaxy. We are starting by painting the background, and we are not going to use black color, rather we are going to use a very darker shade of blue. I have used a flat brush to paint the background, and we are painting it very smoothly. Next, I am going to grab a sponge and I am going to start painting from the center of the galaxy, which is bright yellowish color. I am going to dab the sponge and swirl it in such a way that it looks like an S. As you know, galaxy is bright and it's colorful. You can also use only white and blue color. It also looks very beautiful. I am going to use 2 to 3 colors to make it look beautiful and brighter. Next, I am using brilliant purple, and I have mixed white with brilliant purple to make it a bit lighter and brighter. Next, we are using the color of cosmos, and that is the blue color. A bit of more detailing with the sponge. Wherever you feel you can improve your painting or the look of the painting. A gentle reminder to you all, if you like the painting, do hit the like button. You can give your opinion in the comment section below, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe yutiarts. You can also share this video with your friends and help me grow my channel. Thank you. I have loaded this toothbrush with white color, and now I am spraying it on the painting. You can also make stars which are a bit bigger than the sprayed ones by using a painting brush. And here we are done with the painting. I hope you all liked the painting and the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.